Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Po from Kung Fu Panda 4. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Po from Kung Fu Panda, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right about here, and let's just make an oval shape for his eye. Then I'm going to leave some space, and over here I'm going to make a skinnier oval shape for his eye. Right here I'm going to make a circle, and I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. And then same thing, I'm going to color in a circle, leaving just a little bit white. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw an oval shape right around here. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that kind of comes up at an angle. I'm going to curve it around and then bring it up to here. Now for his eyebrows, I'm just going to bring a line that's going to curve up here. And then one's going to curve up. It's going to go at an angle and down. Now down here for his nose, let's make a little smiley face shape. Then let's make a line that's going to come down and up. We're going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to curve it around and then over to here. And a little line down. Next, we're going to make a little smiley face shape like this. And we're going to put a little line at the end of each one. Next, let's draw a line that's going to come down and then up for his chin. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up to here. And we'll do the same thing here. Let's just draw a line that's going to curve up. And we'll leave a little space right there. Then right here, I'm going to make a couple little points for his hair. Now for his ears, let's just curve a line up and down. And then same thing here, curve a line up and down for his little ears. Now let's work on his body. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to come up. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up at an angle. And then I'm going to curve a line right here. I'm going to bring this line around for his thumb. And then down here, we're going to bring this line out, and we're going to curve it around to here. I'm going to bring this line around to here for one of his fingers. We'll do another one here, and then one more here in his little pose. And then I'm going to make some little claws on the end here of each finger. Now, starting here, I'm going to curve this line up, and I'm going to bring it around to here. And then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve around, and it's going to do that same thing, and we'll connect it to here. That's going to be part of his pants. Next, we're going to bring a line up here. Then I'm going to curve this line around and up here. And then right here, let's make a little circle shape, and I'm going to bring it down here. I'm going to connect this to here, and then do a little line here with a couple more little lines, so it looks like his ankle's wrapped up. Then, since this is the bottom of his foot, let's make a circle. and then 4 other circles for his pad and his toes. We'll make a little line here. And then I'll make a little line here. Next, let's go down here. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down and then around to here. And then another little line. I'll make a line that's going to curve down and over. And then I'll make one more that's going to curve down and over for his feet. Now let's bring this line up, and then we're going to curve it to here. Next, let's bring a line right to here. And then we're going to curve a line right here, so it kind of looks like his foot is wrapped. And then we'll bring a little line down here. And then we'll go ahead and just put some toes on there, some little claws. Now, out here, we're going to continue his arm to about here. Then I'm going to bring this around and curve it to here. And then another little curve here. Then I'm going to curve this here for his thumb and bring this line in. Now, right here, I'm going to make these little lines just so it looks like the top of his pants has these stripes. Then we're going to draw a line right here for part of his pants. And then a line up here. And then we're going to make a little square shape, and we're going to make some little lines on here so it looks like it's been stitched. Then right across here, let's go ahead and draw a curve for the line that kind of separates the black from the white on his body. And there you go. There is your drawing of Po from Kung Fu Panda. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.